धर्मपत्न्यै च धीमहि
तन्नो लक्ष्मी
प्रचोदयात्।
ओम श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती स्वरूपिणी श्री चंडी परादेवतायै नमः। वेदोक्त दिव्य मंत्र पुष्पांजलिं समर्पयामि। आत्मवृक्ष नमस्कारां समर्पयामि।
Namaskaram to everybody present in the Laksh Chandi Yagam, which is being held in Memphis, and S3 Foundation USA is organizing it. On behalf of the All World Gayatri Parivar, Shanti Kunj Haridwar, which is the headquarters, I extend my many congratulations to Purushottam Tandu and Sarita, his wife. Both of them have wholeheartedly made efforts to make this Yagam successful. I convey my heartiest congratulations to not only him but all those who have been participating in Ahutis since last so many days, and the Ahutis are the Japam is continued, and the Ahutis are going to be put in the 400-acre land bought for particularly by Purushottam for DSPV in future. So this is what is the basically a Laksh Chandi Mantra Mahayagya. I convey my heartiest congratulations to the organizer, who is basically Param Puja Gurudev Paramvandaniya Mataji, and Param Puja Gurudev Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji, Paramvandaniya Mata Bhagavati Devi extend their blessings to Purushottam and Sarita, and I hope that the Yagya will go on successfully, and the way it has been organized very nicely. Durga Saptati recitations were done about 100,000 times, Ahutis were 110,000 times, Navakshari mantra about more than, you can just calculate it, more than 10 times of the Durga Saptatis. Mahamrityunjay mantra 800,000 times, and the Gayatri mantra 2400,000 times, Samputshi Suktam 16,000 times, Ahutis have been put 1600 times. Continuous recitation by divine biography of Sri Sampada, Sri Vallabha and Srimati Sri Shirdi Sai Baba. Yagnishala is very big. It's where you are seated, it is 30,000 square feet, and number of home kunds are 108. So you must be around more than, in multiplication of 5, you must be around 550 or 540, or must be about because we are keeping the spacing in view here, so you must be less than 1000. All of you participants, Ritviks and Upasaks, all are worth congratulations, because to organize such an event at such a long distance from here, and our representative Rajesh Yadav is present there, and he has brought this message which you are listening right now. The basic special quality of this yagya is that it will have the influence on the whole climate of the southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and the central part of the whole continent. Not only in US, but it will have an effect on the India also, and all the other countries. So that is why these types of yagyas, yagams are very helpful in eco restoration. The wood has been used specifically, 7 types of special wood have been used, 1000 kgs, another different types of wood 50,000 kgs, Panch Ajya 5,000 kgs. Panch Ajya is a mixture of ghee made from the milk of black cow, white and black mixed cow, brown cow, and vanaspati made from wood. So all these combinations are there. So you must be aware of all these developments, all these details which I have spoken, you must be knowing it. There are many other dravyas like materials like medicinal plants, Nakeshar and the white mustard seed, Jataman seed, tail pepper, many, plenty, all are medicinal plants. So we don't give ahuti of cereals or the seeds or the practically wheat and other things, or rice and other things. We give ahuti of medicinal plants. This is what is the beauty of this particular yagya, which Gurudev, our Gurudev initiated long back in 1945. He started this yagya process in Mathura, in the northern part of the India, and from there he spread it all over. Particularly this type of yagya which he did was medicinal plants, basically based on medicinal plants, and Gayatri mantra. Our yagyas in India have been Gayatri yagya. This yagya is a mixture of Mahamrityunjaya mantra, Navakshari mantra, Durga Sapshatri, Gayatri mantra and Shri Suktam, some put of that. So all these things will be mixed together, and this will have an influence on the people present here in the yagya. And basically the COVID influence which is there in US also, in India also, and all over the world. So we have to take care of the survival of those who are alive here and everywhere. So this particular yagya is for the COVID also. This particular yagam is also for the betterment of the climate. This particular yagam is good for the betterment of the people who are there in US. And basically we are going to start our own branch from Shantikunj, Gayatri Parivar's headquarters in Haridwar, about 200 kilometers north of Delhi. We are going to start our branch there, and this particular function is being done with the coordination of S3 Foundation USA with Gayatri Parivar, All World Gayatri Parivar. I, on behalf of All World Gayatri Parivar, being its head, extend my cordial greetings to S3 Foundation and all the participants who have helped in organizing this particular yagam. This is definitely going to bring a lot of positive vibrations. Basically the yagams which are conducted in any part of the country, in any part of the continent, in any part of the globe, they bring very positive influence, and they bring a lot of good values, a lot of good vibes. So I think this yagam is going to be in the Yagnashala fireplace is 30,000 square feet, and Ritvik and Upasaks are going to be 1008, and so we are counting 10 per homa kund. So definitely the impact is going to be very big. I am associated with the scientific analysis of the yagam, and I am working on it since last about 40 years. And we started a pathy known as Yagyopathy, Yagya therapy. How Yagya can help you in healing from many various disorders, especially the disorders caused due to various these problems like anger, suicidal tendency, anxiety, stress. All these disorders can be cured by yagam. I myself do since last 9 months, because before that I didn't have much time, but now I have much time because of the COVID. So I do every day yagam in a small kund, and I perform the ahutis from regularly by Gayatri Mantra, by Mahamrityunjay Mantra, and I hope that my performance of this yajna is going to bring definitely a good influence in my ashram as well as all over. I pray for everybody. I pray for the well-being of everybody, all beings, all animals, all plants, all climatic conditions should be better. There should not be any tornado, there should not be any natural calamity. This is what is my prayer. Besides, I convey my greetings to everybody and many best wishes for the whole program.
हमारे YouTube चैनल शांति कुंज वीडियो गायत्री परिवार को सब्सक्राइब करें एवं बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि गायत्री परिवार की विभिन्न गतिविधियों की जानकारी आपको मिलती रहे।